everyone. Today I'm going to show you a new tool, basically that is Jan.ai, and this particular tool can be used to run the LLMs in your local for free as well as completely offline. So you'll have no connectivity to the internet, and therefore you'll have the data privacy to yourself. So for looking into the website, you can just go to Jan.ai, and you can download it for multiple platforms. If you're using Mac, you can download the Mac specific versions. If you're using Windows, you can download the Windows specific version, or for Linux, according to whatever operating system you're using. If I go through the page, you see it has been completely open source throughout, and we have the GitHub repo for it. If you want to check out the GitHub repo, you can just click on this link, and there you have the GitHub repo, and you can find all the documents, all the version releases, and whatever stable version that is currently going on for different OS, and the experimental newest version, along with a small demo video how it works. You can get entire info on this GitHub page, and you can explore more over here. You also have the information about the Docker compose profiles that this particular project has been using. Other than that, if you see, you can also run it within Docker using Docker compose commands. So you have the integration with LangChain as well. So there is like a Jan builds on top of other open source projects like Llama, LangChain, TensorRT, and LLM, and so on. Further, you have the Discord channel. Also, you have the Hugging Face integration with it. So all of the Hugging Face models can be used within here. All the latest models like Mistral or Llama 3.1, or the models from the Grok API or the Grok Cloud, I can say. You also have the API inference. So you have this fully OpenAI equivalent API. So for multiple purposes, you can use these API endpoints. For example, messages, models, chat completion. So you see the coverage right now, like these of these. This is the coverage for the individual endpoints. Right now, we have like fine tuning is coming soon. It's not released yet, but yeah, in the future, maybe when it is available, we can explore more how the fine tuning works. And this is all using OpenAI equivalent APIs that the team has created. And let's download it now. So I'm using Windows. I'll just quickly download the Windows version. All right. So it is downloaded now. I'll just install it and show you guys how it looks like and what all are the features available to us. Meanwhile, if you want to go through the law blogs, or maybe you can go to the documentation for finding more features about the application. So here you can find all the quick start guide, what all usage, the basic usage, and the models available to it, uh, readily available to you. Other than that, the model providers, so there are some built-in models, some remote APIs. For example, I said it is using Grok API in the usage for Llama 3.1 models. So I believe there is 8 billion parameters model available for free from Grok Cloud. So that could also be directly used using remote APIs. And let's explore it in action. All right, here we go. So where this is the dashboard, how it looks like, and you have the option explore the hub, right? So if I click on it, I can see all the models available within the dashboard that I can use. Either I can download those models, or there must be some option for running using the Cloud API. So you see, there's Claude 3 Haiku. There are other versions of Claude. There is Grok Gamma 7b Instruct. So these all models are available for using directly from the API itself using the Grok Cloud. For these, you will need the Grok API key, and if you want to grab one, you can just go to Grok API key. Just search for it on the Google. You'll see this link, API key Grok Cloud. And if you don't have the account created, you can just sign up using your Google account or the Gmail account, whatever you prefer. So once you log into the dashboard, you can see this option of creating the API. So you can create the API. You can also delete the API key as per the usage that you want. So if I quickly go back to the application, so for example, if I want to use the Grok, right, I can simply use Grok, and let me type it. Can you give me a simple Flask application code? So you see it is saying invalid API key. So you have to go to the settings and basically provide it the API key. So here is the insert API key option, right? So you just have to go to Grok Cloud, just have to log in. So once you log in, you can just create a API key. I'll just name it test. Just have to copy the API key and put it within here. All right. I think this should work now. All right. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's try it again. Okay. All right. Okay. And the code for a CRUD operation using Fast API. All right. Now you see it is generating the code. So you see how simple it is to use any LLM within your desktop, and this is not offline. This is basically using the API, and it is connected to the internet. Although your model may not be using the internet itself, but for API request and response, definitely you need the internet. Um, let's explore some other models. So for example, you have Gemma 2b, and you can just download it. Once it is downloaded, you can use it within the dashboard. Let's wait for the download. So for example, right now I was running it using the Glock, and Llama 3 was the model. Here you can go to the model tab and select the available models, and you can directly download the models from here itself. So there are a few of the models which may need the API token. So for for example, if you're using any model from let's say Hugging Face, you have to provide the Hugging Face token, and you can directly use it then. So that's pretty much it, how this application works. And once your model is downloaded, if the model is downloaded to your local, then you may not need any API key, and you can directly run it within your local system, and you do not even need the internet connection. So that's how this application is very much helpful if you need the LLM connectivity within your desktop, and if you don't have the internet connection, or if you don't want to get connected to the internet, you can just use it right away. So I think this is pretty much it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll bring some more stuff for upcoming videos, and let me know in the comments if you need me to create some videos on a certain topic. Then I'll definitely do that. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.